Hello everyone and welcome to my video tutorial on setting up a remote desktop between two Windows computers so that you can remotely control one computer from a different one. In this example I'm going to be using my home desktop and my personal laptop. We're going to be setting up a remote desktop on my desktop, and then we're going to move to my laptop to show you guys that we can put in the IP address or the host name if we're on the same network and get remoted into my desktop computer from my laptop. So getting right into it, you'll first need to go into your computer properties. So in Windows 10, you're able to bring up the start menu and type in this and look for this PC, and then go down to properties or down here. Opening up the system properties, on the left pane you want to click on remote settings. For prompts for username and password, go ahead and do so. And right down in this section, this bottom section right here, is where we want to click allow remote connections to this computer. I'm going to hit apply just to make that stick, and it's pretty much that easy. There are some caveats if you want to allow only certain users, or if you want to allow other users besides yourself. You can go down here to select users and go to add. I have set up a test admin account, so all you have to do is really give it the name of the account that you want to allow into your computer. So for example, I would type in admin, and then you can go to check names, and if it's applicable, it will automatically enter that name and that object into this field right here, and that will allow the other account to remote into this computer. So go ahead and hit OK. You can see it added up there, and OK again. And that's it for the remote desktop setup on the desktop. So now let's take a look at the laptop and see if we can get in. One thing I did forget to grab before we move over to the laptop first is to check our IP configuration, so to see what IPv4 address I currently have set up on this desktop. So we're going to open up PowerShell really quickly and just type in ipconfig, and right down here we can see my IP address is 192.168.1.26. So we're going to go ahead and use that IPv4 address on our, or I guess on my laptop, to get into this desktop. Alright, now that we've moved to the laptop, let's go ahead and try to remote into my desktop. So first things first, I want to check and see that I have a connection to my desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and ping it. So I'm going to go ahead and ping the IP address of my desktop that I grabbed before. And we can see that we get a reply, so that means the computer is up and I am able to connect to it, at least using pings. And so we're going to go ahead and open up the start menu and type in remote desktop connection. Go ahead and open that right up and input whatever IP address you had grabbed from your last machine, and go ahead and hit connect, and it will prompt you to log in. So for me, I'll put in my password, and there we go. It's as easy as that. Now logged into my desktop, and yeah, I hope you guys found this little tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching.